Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make banana pancakes. Really tasty and it's a perfect thing to have for breakfast. So, let's get started. Alright, in a large mixing bowl, we'll put in 1¼ cups of self-raising flour. I'll just sift it straight in. Then a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That's done. And in a separate bowl, put in a 5-ounce egg. And 1 cup of milk. I'll beat these together. That's perfect. Now just make a well in the middle. Pour the egg and milk mix straight into the center. Now I start mixing it until all the lumps are out. Now 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then just mix it in. And then mash up 2 bananas. Now I have just an overripe banana since it has a lot more flavor in it. So I'll just put all those in there. And mix it through. Now get a container with a pouring spout and pour the mixture straight in. Alright, get a frying pan. You can use butter or whatever. I'm gonna use canola white oil. Then get this mixture and pour it on the center, depending on how large you want the pancakes to be. And then wait for it to start bubbling, and then we're gonna form on the edges. Once it starts bubbling, it can start from the edges, then it's ready to flip. Oh, beautiful. There you have a beautiful plate of banana pancakes, and you're gonna have also maple syrup, or if we rather this, up to you. I'm just gonna put a little bit of maple syrup right there. You're gonna sprinkle over the top. You can also decorate with some sliced bananas or whatever you want to do. Just be creative. And now, time to taste it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a banana pancake, as you can see. Oh, so good, and oh, smells divine. So, let's taste that. Oh, it's the best one I've ever made. Please try this, it's amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.